Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the third chapter of Science Good Food Part 1. In this PPT, we will discuss about what is food, why we eat food, kinds of food, best time to eat food, and snacks. Okay, so let's start with food. Food, any nourishing substance that is eaten and drunk or taken into the body to sustain life, provide energy, and helps in growth is called food. Okay, as you all can see in this image, there is a variety of food which help us to grow and live healthy life. Okay, so this is the food. The next is, do you know why we eat food? Students, we eat food when we are hungry. It means when we feel hungry, that time we need food. We eat food because it get a, it get we eat food to get energy. Okay, it means the food gives us energy. We eat food to grow big. It means food help us to grow big and become strong. We eat food to work. The food help us to do our daily work like running, reading, walking, cycling, playing, etc. We eat food to be strong. It provides us strength and increases our immunity. We eat food to play. We eat food to stay fit and healthy. It means good food become us fit and healthy. We eat food to keep away from sickness. It means there are different types of food and different varieties of food that keep that keep us away from sickness. If you will not eat proper or balanced diet, you may fall ill. Okay. Now, kinds of food. There are mainly four types of food. Food which gives us energy are called energy giving food. This is the energy giving food. As you all can see, the example of these energy giving food are rice, bread, chapatis, maize, potato, banana, and millets. These are the energy giving food. When we eat such types of food, it gives us lot of energy. Okay. The next is food that help us to grow. It's mean this is also called proteins. These types of food when we eat, it help us to grow big like chicken, fish, meat, cheese and butter and protein, milk. Okay, so these are the food that help us to grow. The next is keep us healthy. It means a food that keep us healthy. The example of these types of food are vegetables and fruits. This is also called vitamins. It means lot of vitamins are present in the vegetables and fruits. So students, we must have to eat all types of vegetables and all fruits because these fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. Next is protect us from sickness. Some types of food items protect us from sickness like dry fruits, nuts, etc. These are also called proteins. So, we have to eat different varieties of food because different varieties of food are rich in the different types of nutrients and each nutrient are necessary for our body, and it is necessary for our growth and for our health. Okay, so you must have to eat every type of food, like you must have to eat rice, you must have to eat chapati, vegetables, pulses, non-veg chicken, egg, meat, fruits and vegetable, etc. Okay, now best time to eat food. We students, we must eat our food in a proper time. Okay, according to the time, our food is mainly divided into three parts, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. The breakfast is a food that we eat early morning, and the timing of the correct timing of the breakfast is 7 to 8 a.m. Okay, the second one is lunch. We have our lunch in the middle of the day. It means the food that we eat middle of the day, that is called lunch, and the best time of our lunch is 12:30 to 2 p.m. Okay, and the food we take at night, that is called dinner, and the best time of the dinner is 6 to 9 p.m. Okay, so we have eat our food in the proper time, and when we in between lunch and dinner we take some snacks like biscuits, nuts or fruits. Okay, in between lunch and dinner we take some snacks like biscuits, nuts, fruits are called snacks. These are the snacks. Okay, after lunch and before dinner we had some light food. This is the snacks. You all can see the image of the snacks: sandwich, fruits, biscuits, etc. Okay, so hope you all enjoy this video, and remaining topics of this chapter we will discuss in the next PPT. Till you all see this video and try to understand. Thank you.